Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the AC condenser on Opel Astra H 1.7 CDTI. First we need to remove the grill on the front bumper, and then we need to remove the metal plate, and we have access to the AC condenser. I already removed the bolts on the metal plate, but here are the bolts I'm showing where exactly. And then we remove this metal plate, and afterwards we have to remove the cooling fan. The cooling fan is held by two nuts, so we need to remove them, and then we can move the cooling fan to the side. Next we need to remove or put to the side this intake air pipe. Now we have access to the AC condenser. First we need to remove the two pipes that connect to the AC condenser. They're held by, each pipe is held by a Torx bolt. We need to remove them. One of them we remove from the top, the other one from the bottom. The AC condenser is held to the cooling radiator by four bolts, two on top on the two sides and two on the bottom on the two sides. Next, we remove the bolt for the other pipe that connects to the AC condenser. Afterwards, we need to disconnect the connector for the high pressure switch. If the video is helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Maybe give the video a thumbs up. And here is the bolt that holds the AC condenser on the bottom to the cooling radiator. After we've removed all the bolts, next we can remove the AC condenser. It's easier to take it out from the bottom. And that's the AC condenser out. Next you can put in the new AC condenser. Don't forget to put 50 milliliters of oil before putting on the new AC condenser.